gavau laišką.
Tai ne laišką, aš galiu būti Utena, please help, I need way.
Hello?
Good evening.
Evening.
Can I speak to Diva, please?
Yes, I Blambaidai Baigeri.
Hi, is this the English teacher, Diva?
Yes.
Well, then I got the right number. Well, apparently, you're from Utena, right?
Yes, you're right.
This friend of mine gave your number in case of emergency, and he told me that, well, nobody here speaks English. You're not doing a very good job here. No one speaks English. And I thought maybe you could help me out, because I'm lost in Utena, and I have no idea how to get out of it.
But now I'm sleeping.
You're sleeping. Well,
Yes.
I would like to be sleeping as well,
I think so.
but I can't. You know
I
why?
see. Yes.
Because I'm lost.
Wow, it's very bad news from you.
Oh, trust you me. This is just horrible news for me.
I think so. You can maybe you can find the hotel in Utena.
Well, here's the funny part. I do have a hotel. What I don't have is directions of how to get to my hotel. It's near the market. It's like a guest house near the market. Do you know where it is?
Yes, I think I know.
Listen, I'm now in the hold on. I'm looking for the street name.
Okay.
If it's not a problem for you, ma'am.
I think so. Okay, what street?
Well, thank you very much. Well, anyways, I'm in this street called right here. It's Z with a well, it's an awkward Z. Zilvaiq.
Žemaičių Žilvyčių.
It's spelled awkward Z ILVI awkward E IU awkward U, like you with something on it.
I don't know, maybe Žilvyčių.
I don't know, probably. Nobody tells me what. Well, I'm sorry. I'm shouting. I'm just
okay.
really desperate right now. I think it's spelled ZILVICIU. ZIL.
Yes, I understand.
VI. Oh, so that's how it's pronounced.
Okay.
So how is it pronounced?
Žilvyčių.
Zilvičių.
Yes.
Okay, well.
I don't know the street in Utena, near the market.
Well, it's not near the market, I can tell you that much. It's not near the market, not by a long shot. And okay. I was going down.
I would like to ask you, who are you?
Well,
What is your name?
That is very rude of me. My name is Justin Clore, and I'm from New York.
Mm-hmm.
And, well, we were partying with my friends, and one thing led to another.
Oh, damn.
Oh, your friend.
Kieno čia telefonas? Duok tą lavą. iPhones, ane? iPhones. Kas? Turėk. Užsieniečiai urodai.
Su gimtadienį nespėjom pasakyti.
Paskambinam dar kartą. Žmogui stresą įvarėm.
Ir taip sakyk.
Tai iš karto leidžiam.
Nebeatsilieps dabar. Užmušim tada.
Kas tu tokius, su kuo aš kalbėjau?
Gal nebereikia. Nebeatsilieps.
Manai, ne?
Perduokit linkėjimus jai, Dieve, kažkaip čia taip.
Kas nors, kas ją pažįsta, būtinai duokit jai.
Atbaladuojam tave.
Visiškai.
Kodėl?
Žiūri.
dėžę tą sulapti. Vienas picos dėžę.
Badaus.
Su gimtadieniu. Panelė mokytoja. It was a joke. Little joke. Kai barščiai bėga.
Oi, ne tas žodis.
Gerai, mažučiai. Ir mažusios mes toj grįšim.